Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download customer success playbooks from Gainsight, full guide step by step clearly. To download customer success playbooks from Gainsight, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Gainsight website. Log into your Gainsight account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard on your homepage. From the dashboard, find the Resources tab in the top menu bar. Click on the Resources tab to reveal the drop-down menu. Select Playbooks from the drop-down options. This will direct you to the Playbooks library. Browse through the available playbooks to find the one you wish to download. Once you find the relevant playbook, click on its title to view more details. On the Playbook detail page, look for the Download button. Click the Download button to initiate the download process. A prompt may appear, asking where you would like to save the file. Choose your desired location on your device. Click Save to download the playbook. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Open the file to ensure it downloaded correctly. You can now use the Customer Success Playbook for your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.